Hello, my fabulous financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. It is savings challenge time. You guys, this is one of my favorite times during my cash stuffing. We are going to take a look, see how much we're going to be stuffing in our envelopes today, see if we need to do any condensing because I love bringing out the surplus reserve binder. So let's take a look. We've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, $97 that we can stuff in our savings challenges. Goodness, that $10 is a bit floppy. All right, and in our Friday's challenge, today we have 27 and 41 that we're needing to save. So together that is $31. So we're gonna do 20, 30, $1. Let's mark that off. And I will color in my check mark for September a little bit later. I'm going on ahead and stuffing October's first stuffing because I'm paid bi-weekly. So the 11th is the next time I will be getting paid. So that means in our Friday's challenge, we have, let's see, 500, 50, 70, 90, 600, 10, 15, 16. So we have $616. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out my surplus reserve binder and I'm going to put this $100 in there and replace the 500 with a $600 placeholder. So let's take a look. We've got a $10 bill we can put in here. And this is how we eventually get this binder filled with our condensing. So we're gonna put the 20s in here where the 20s go. And our 50 and where the 50s go. Here is the hundreds from last time. So now let's take a look. I should have a $600 placeholder, and I do. So I'm going to put that there, put the 500 here, and towards the back for my low priority, I am going to creatively make that 5 into a 6. So now you see we've got 600 there. And so now it still shows we have 600, 10, 15, 16. So $616 saved in our Friday's challenge. And we've got $66 remaining. So let's take a look at our $1,000 savings challenge from budgeting just because. And we were done with section 1. Section 2, we've got 25 and 40, which is 65 that we can use. And we've got 20, 40, 60, 5. So that means that we can complete this challenge here. So there should be $85 in this envelope. Let's take a look, and there's quite a few bills here. So I'm going to use my surplus reserve binder more than likely to condense this, or I'm going to think about possibly doing a placeholder. We'll see. We've got 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. All right, we are going to do some condensing so that we don't stretch out our envelope a little bit too much. And I'll take a look at some of these others and see if we can condense those as well. So for this one, we can do, there's 85, so I'll leave the 5 here. and see if I have, well, we'll do 20 as well. Let's see if I have a 10 and a 50, which we should, because we just pull those. So here's a 10. And 50, so that means that we should be putting $60 back in here. So 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So it is $60. We're going to put those amounts in their appropriate envelopes. Got some 5s. And some 1s. All right, so that looks much better. The envelope is not going to be as thick, but it's still $85. Now, let's take a look at some of our other envelopes and see if we can condense those as well. And here we've got 10, 20, 30, 50, 70, 90, 110. So I can use the surplus reserve binder and replace this 100 with a $100 bill, which will save my envelope. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So we'll put the 20s here where the 20s go. Oops, almost put those in backwards. Put the 10s where the 10s go. So now we've got 110 with as few bills as possible. And in this envelope, it's 60. I think there's just 3 20s in here. And if so, I'm totally fine with that because it's only 3 bills. So now my envelopes are not being stretched and we're looking good and exciting. We will be starting envelope 2 next time. I don't see where there is a space for for $1. So I'm thinking I may put this additional $1 in my spending envelope because in our previous video, I mentioned that I would like to be able to get my nails done. So that's $1 closer. Remember, every penny counts. So what I will do is get my cash envelopes and stick that additional $1 in with my spending. Put this away so that I'm not looking to figure out where that went. This savings is so fun. All right, there you have it. And our surplus reserve binder came in handy. We were able to minimize and condense our envelopes. Say surplus reserve binder saved us. We didn't even have to go to the bank. I would like to leave you with this quote. Never underestimate the power of small savings, like autumn leaves gathering one by one. Your spare change and dollar bills add up to create a beautiful landscape of financial securities. Remember, every acorn counts in growing your mighty oak of savings. Have a great day and an amazing weekend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling me how you are contributing in a small way to your big savings goals. Have a great weekend. Bye now.